In this video, I'll show you how to move a Figma page from one file to another quickly and cleanly without rebuilding your designs from scratch. This is a super useful workflow when you want to reorganize projects, duplicate layouts into a new file, or transfer work from a draft file into a final one. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Figma tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your source file in Figma and go to the page you want to move. This is the file that currently contains the designs, frames, and objects you want to transfer. Once you're on the correct page, click anywhere on the canvas so Figma knows you're working inside that page. Now to select everything on that page, press Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac. This will highlight all the objects on the canvas, including your frames, text, shapes, and any other elements on that page. After everything is selected, copy the contents by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac. At this point, all of the selected design elements are stored on your clipboard and ready to be pasted into another file. Now switch over to your destination file. This is the file where you want to move the page content into. On the left side, find the Pages panel. Next to it, click the plus icon to create a brand new page. Creating a new page first helps keep your file organized and gives you a clean space to place the copied content. Once the new page is created, click inside that page so it becomes active. Then press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac to paste the designs. Figma will place the copied content onto the new page, and your page contents will now appear in the destination file. From here, you can rename the page, adjust the layout if needed, and make sure everything transferred correctly. One quick tip: if your page contains multiple frames or a large layout, take a moment to check that all elements pasted properly and that nothing was left behind. If you're moving work between files often, this method is one of the fastest ways to reuse designs without exporting or recreating anything manually. And that's it, you've now moved a Figma page from one file to another using a simple copy and paste workflow. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials, design workflows, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.